Alright, so let's go through checkpoint 19. A mass is undergoing your vertical SHM on the end of a long spring. So which table correctly shows at the top, center and bottom of the movement the kinetic energy of the mass, the change in GP and the change in your EP, right, from the value at the center. So first we eliminate the two options. So the two options that is being eliminated is actually B and C. Why is that so? Because if you calculate the total energy, doesn't correspond to each other, right? So you can see 0, 1.60. So this is not allowed. So C also, so 1.6, 1.6, and negative 1.6. So this is also not allowed. So what is left is actually your A and D. So A and D, the total energy actually correspond to one another, 1.6 throughout. Okay, the next is I look at the GPE. So let's take a look at your GPE, right, for option A. So option A, because they set the reference point to be at the center, so means your GPE is 0 at the center. So as you go to the top, there must be some gain in GPE, right? So it's a positive 6.4. So given to be as such. Okay, then as you go to the bottom, is negative 6.4 joules. So this should be the correct one because the change must be the same in terms of the magnitude wise. This is 6.4, this also 6.4. But for option D, if you look at option D, the gain is, as you go to the top, is 3.2. As you go to the bottom, is 1.6. So it's not, the change is not the same. Yeah, the change should be the same because here, let's just say the height is 2 meters. As you go down, it's also 2 meters. So as you calculate using the MGH, the change must be the same in terms of the magnitude wise. So that's why for checkpoint 19 should be A.